How to add extra guest fee. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Now log into your Airbnb account and tap on the switch to hosting option on top of your screen and further tap on the listings option on top and then go ahead and select the listing you want to add extra guest fee in. Scroll down and navigate to the pricing option and tap on that. Now tap on the find more discounts and fees in the calendar option you see there. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the additional charges option. Under additional charges tab, tap on the fees option. Next, locate the extra guest fee section and enter the desired amount per additional guest. Finally, tap on the save button to apply the new fee. So, this is how you can add extra guest fee on Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.